Take a butter with your hand a little bit and spread it all over here. You do your side and she does her side. Take more butter. Take more butter.
This much?
Yeah, more. It's fine. It's okay.
Hey, that's my fry.
Alright, now it's good. 1 second. Let me open this for you guys.
Ah, my hands. My hands.
Look at my hands.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's bothering me. Papa has a towel.
Need Yasmine. Okay. Now, let me open this. Okay.
This is the challenge.
This is a challenge.
Challenge. Yeah.
Challenge, yeah. The towel falls.
Oh.
The towel falls.
It's okay, baby. I'll take care of it. Okay.
What fault?
Alright. Here.
Oh,
Towel.
Yasmine, she has murdered me.
It's okay. Here.
Okay, I'm gonna make different
You
shapes.
take and you put them.
I'm gonna make different shapes.
No, they have to just be like that.
But I wanna make different shapes.
Okay, make different shape.
And I will.
No, I'm gonna make a shape like that and then. Yasmine, you said you want to make different, you know. I'm gonna make, you said you want to make different shapes.
Normally, they should just stay like that. The same shape they came.
But I don't want to. Hey, look at this one.
Okay.
Look at mine.
Alright, the oven is gonna be ready soon. It still look pretty. Alright.
Gave us the tools, they gave us the resources we needed, and they really encouraged us and they really promoted us to continue to do our own thing. Celia is an incredible salesperson.
I'm doing the challenge.
You making croissant, Aiden?
It is important as a small business.
Huh?
It is important.
No, it's cat. It's a rainbow.
Okay. Alright.
I have myrrh.
What it
Okay.
means to have credit, what it means to build credit, what it means to screw your credit out, to be honest. Credit can be good and credit can be bad. Credit can be
I'm making
your enemy.
some pizza.
Papa, look at this. Papa.
Okay. This is the shape you like? Okay.
I have one last one.
Alright.
And so these are the pizza.
Oh, Yasmine, I like the ones you did. You like pancakes.
No, I'm making pizza.
Oh, that's pizza.
Yeah.
Oh,
But I
awesome.
need some butter to put some butter on the pizza.
Okay.
It's gonna be yucky.
No, it's gonna be yummy.
Look at this.
What is that?
I don't know. Face.
Okay. That's good.
Mine is done.
Okay. Good.
Okay. Time for the oven.
No, I'm
Alright.
not done. I need to put some.
But don't put butter on mine.
Okay, put butter. You're not gonna put butter on yours, you said? Okay. Alright. Let me put it in the oven now.
She needs to put on these three and that's it. Can I put it in the oven?
Yes.
I'm gonna put it in the oven.
Okay. Alright, Yasmine. Let's go. Okay, pick it up, big boy. Come on.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in the oven.
Oh.
Yasmine, look what we're gonna do. Aiden, put them in the oven, and Yasmine, she's gonna take them off from the oven when they're ready.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Alright,
I'm gonna
Yasmine.
put it in the oven and you take it out the oven.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, big
So
boy.
put it in the oven.
Okay, 1 second. Let me open. It's hot, okay?
Okay.
I need mitts.
No. Come here. I'll show you how.
No, wait, I'm gonna wait.
I'll show you how you do it. Look, you hold from here. You just put it here.
Ow, my face!
Yes. See? That's why kids, they pretty much has to stay away from oven and all this.